Hello, thank you so much for joining me here today. I really appreciate your time. I just have a few questions for you. Can you share with us how your experience was like with your sales manager?
Yeah, we actually had a very positive experience with Itai, who was our sales manager. Whenever we reached out to him, he was very responsive and very informative when we were doing our initial exploration of whether or not we wanted to go solar, and then which company we were going to use.
That's fantastic. And why did you initially decide to go solar?
A combination of reasons. We are environmentally conscious, and so my husband's a professor of plant biology at West Virginia University. So we're very aware of environmental impacts of carbon emissions. And then I am an accountant. I'm a CPA, and so we were very aware of all of the tax incentives of doing this. So it was something that has always been on the back burner for us. And we came to a situation where we were going to need a new commuter car and a new roof. And so the stars aligned, and that's why we moved forward.
That's perfect. Amazing. And last question for you. Were you the first in your area to go solar? Did that inspire you at all? Or are you inspiring your neighbors maybe to go solar?
Yeah, we are absolutely the first in our area. It was very intimidating. I don't know to what extent we are inspiring our neighbors. I think we are on the bleeding edge as they see it, and we get a lot of questions. And so now I feel like we are ambassadors for solar. In our area. I think that'll change in the coming years, but I think once we get to see a real return on our investment, I think we could change some minds.
Amazing, exciting. Well, we are excited to see where your solar journey takes you. And thank you so much for your time answering these questions for us.
Sure. Thank you.